In this video, I'll be showing you how you accept and reject changes on Microsoft Word. So if you're new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So now let's do this. So I sent this document to somebody. I just did the edit myself. And you can see when there is changes in any part of the document, you're going to see some marks here. So this is 3 different changes. So we are going to accept and reject them. So to do that, we tap on the red button here and you see there's the changes here. So here they are saying them has been deleted from here, and here reading has been changed to dapt here, and small d has been changed to capital D. So to accept a change, you tap on it like this. You move to your review tab here. The tabs here move to review. You see track changes has been turned on, and you can see accept here. So you have this accept this change, that's the one we've selected here, or you can accept every change made on this document. So we accept this change and it should vanish. Good. Now let's come to this one here. We are going to delete this one rather. So we are going to reject it. So we select it and we move to this tab once again, the tracking tab once again, and you see reject here. Reject has the same options. Reject the change, which is for only this change, and reject all changes for every change on the document. So now let's reject this. We deleted this. Good. So we see we have our reading back there, but the dapt is still there, so we would have to delete it ourselves since we rejected it. Good. Good. So now let's try to, accept all here. So we tap on this here and we accept all the changes on the document and everything should vanish. Now let's revert our action here. And now let's try to reject everything, and we reject everything from the document, and that's it. So in my previous video, I showed you guys how you track changes, how you even put a password on your tracking so people can't accept their changes they make by themselves before they send the document over to you. So that's it. I have a lot of tutorials on Microsoft Word. You can check them out. So that's it for the video. Peace.